Hello guys, how is he doing? How is it going today? Today I'm having an interesting video to share for you guys, which is how you can create a thumbnail using ThumbnailMaker for YouTube. So thumbnail is just about you putting an effect to your videos to attract more views on your YouTube channel. So all you need to do now is to click on the subscribe button, which is down below this video, and let's get it done. So folks, you go to the Play Store and download the thumbnail maker for YouTube. I'm going to type thumbnail maker for YouTube. This is thumbnail maker for YouTube videos. So as you can see, this is thumbnail maker for YouTube videos. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to you click on thumbnail maker. You upload the picture that you want to apply thumbnail to. So these are my pictures. So I'm going to select an image to apply thumbnail to. So as you can see, this is the picture that I uploaded. So I'm going to add text to this same picture, which is how to create a thumbnail using thumbnail maker for YouTube videos. So I will save it. So I'm going to adjust the size. So I'm done with it. So I'm going to add more effect to this same picture. Let's write like 100 million views in order to attract more people to this same video. So how to create, I've already written that. So I'm going to add more effect to it, like I'll apply YouTube. I'll tag YouTube in it and apply a picture. Yes, this is YouTube, and I will enlarge it a little bit. So as you can see, I've already applied these effects. So I'm going to save this. So in short, this is how to create a thumbnail using ThumbnailMaker for YouTube. It's pretty fast and easy. You can do that. All you need to do is to go to the Google Play Store and download the ThumbnailMaker for YouTube video. So I hope you enjoy this video on how to create a thumbnail using ThumbnailMaker for YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video. Till we'll see in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.